To share a Panopto video from one course to another, go to Panopto Video on the left side menu. Hover over the video you want to share and click on the share icon on the video. Under People and Groups, type the name of the course where you want to share this video. Wait a few seconds for the share options to show up. Click on the viewer version of the course. You might also want to send an email to the students in that course so they know about it being shared with them. And then hit send. Now the people in the course have viewer access to this video. Scroll down and click copy link. Now go to the other course to add the video. There are three ways to add it. The first one is to add the video as an external URL. To do that, you need to use an already existing module or create a new one. Click on the plus to add an item to that module. Select external URL from the dropdown. Paste the link you just copied from the other course in the URL field. Put a name for the page that will include the Panopto video and click add item. Don't forget to publish the module and the link page you created. Now you can use the student view feature in the upper right corner to see it from the student's point of view. The students can watch the recording directly on the page or click on the Panopto video link at the top of the page and play it directly in Panopto. The second way to add it is to use a page. To add the video to a page in your module, use an existing module or create a new one, and then use the plus to add it. From the drop-down, choose Page. Type a name for your page and hit Add Item. Then click on the page in the module. Click Edit at the top. From the Rich Text Editor, click on the Panopto icon. If it isn't there, click on the three dots to expand the tools and you'll find it on the second row. In the opening window, type the course name from which you want to share the video. Once it shows up, click on it. It'll show you all the videos in that course. Find a video and select it. Scroll down and hit Insert. The video is now embedded in the page you created. If everything looks good, scroll down and hit Save and Publish. And remember, you can always act as a student to see it from their point of view. The third approach is to add the Panopto video to an assignment, discussion, or announcement, which is pretty similar to adding it to a page since it needs to be added using the Rich Text Editor just like a page. To do so, go to the module to which you want to add the assignment or discussion. Click the plus and from the drop-down, choose assignments or discussions based on what you need. Enter a name for it and click Add Item. Before publishing your assignment, click on it. Click Edit on the upper right corner. Click on the Panopto icon, search for the course, and click on it. Select the video from the list and hit Insert. If the video looks as expected, scroll all the way down and click Save and Publish. Now the video is embedded into your assignment description page in case the students need to review it before answering the questions. You can add Panopto videos to discussions and announcements following the same approach while creating them, because they all share the same rich text editor. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.